China, one of the world's largest developing countries, is known for building large-scale engineering projects to meet the needs of its growing population. Chinese engineers are like superheroes in the field of construction. They are dedicated to building large-scale engineering projects that shock the world. In this video, we will continue to explore the stories behind China's megaprojects. The Chinese have achieved an incredible feat by constructing a bridge in just 43 hours. Showcasing the impressive power of technological advancements in the world of construction. This groundbreaking project was orchestrated using V technology, a cutting-edge innovation that has revolutionized the way bridges are built. V technology, short for V in Chinese, involves prefabricating bridge sections off-site and then assembling them rapidly during the construction process. This revolutionary technique eliminates the need for traditional on-site construction, saving time and reducing costs significantly. By adopting this method, the Chinese were able to complete the bridge in a record-breaking time frame, demonstrating their engineering prowess. This remarkable feat serves as a testament to the importance of embracing technological advancements and finding efficient solutions for infrastructure development. The rapid construction of the bridge not only showcases China's ability to overcome complex engineering challenges, but also highlights the country's commitment to innovation. It demonstrates how embracing new technologies can drive progress and transform the way we approach construction projects. The successful implementation of V technology in building this bridge is a significant achievement. Pushing the boundaries of what is possible in construction, it serves as an inspiration for other countries to explore similar advancements in their infrastructure projects, ultimately delivering faster and more cost-effective solutions for the future.